About myself. So talking about me, I would probably say that that I've already said everything. So why am I here is probably to help you guys become better than me. When I say better than me in delivery, better than me in body language, better than me in communications as well. अब ये होगा कैसे? ये होगा practice करके. Unless and until you guys force yourselves, unless and until you guys do not have the burning urge to face this situation, to face this crowd, stand over here and face this, till then you won't be able to get out of it. Because unless and until you guys don't go ahead and feel this tension intently to a point where you stop feeling that it is not going to work out.
Yes,
and that is the only way. Okay? Now, just before I begin with this session, I have a few champions from yesterday who did pretty well in the class, who showed signs of improvement yesterday. I see 10% improvement in these guys. So my question to them, without pointing out to them indirectly, would be, would you guys want to start the session today, or do I start with the analysis first? Okay, you guys want me to start with the analysis today. Fine. In that case, I need to ascertain who stands where. When I say I need to ascertain, and yes, no crossing of legs, guys. No crossing of legs. Okay, I don't like that gesture when you guys are crossing your legs. Now, in order to help me ascertain where you guys stand, I'll have to see where you guys stand. And for that, you have to be here.
Okay, sir.
Sure. I need you to there. I need you to introduce the crowd and then start off. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. I am Arav Takshar. Most of you most probably know me. I have done a lot of debates and a lot of debates and speeches. I am experienced. I have even won prize from a debate. I am here to have a little bit of a challenge, because for 1 year I have felt like isolated. I'm not able to do debating and public speaking as such. I might be stuttering because I have not been experienced in talking in that much. So I just wanted to introduce myself to you all. I know where I stand, and that is I am really good at debating and speech.
Brilliant. So see, the thing over here is that whenever you're facing the crowd, you need not tell them what are your shortfalls, as in what are things that you need to improve upon. You just need to show them a good picture about yourself. Hi, my name is Manav and I'm good at this, X, Y, Z. I like to do this, I like to do that. I'm into debates, I'm into such and such things. This is what you're doing. Bro, stop playing. Really annoying. If you want, you can go out of the class, I don't mind. That's completely cool. But do not break my rhythm. Where was I?
You were talking about my shortcuts. Maybe I'm not supposed to tell.
This is what happens. Want to try apologizing for that? No, sir. Thank you. That's okay. Yeah, in that case, I don't want you to help the crowd with your shortfalls. We never do that. When you speak, and when you're trying to come up with a word to speak, what happens is you tend to close your eyes, you tend to be fidgety, you touch your belt, you move a lot. This is probably because the pressure that you're facing. This is because of this crowd pressure that everybody is looking on top to you. And this makes you feel forced. And with this, what happens? Your rate of speech
Is reduced.
with you, it gets reduced. With most of the participants that I meet, it gets increased exponentially. When I say exponentially, बोलने की speed बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. In that case, I had made a few participants yesterday write down something, which was basically आपके बोलने की speed, आपके सोचने की speed से कम होनी चाहिए. This is what you need to incorporate, because if you think before you speak and you already have a line prepared in your mind, you wouldn't go ahead, number one, stammer. Number two, you wouldn't be closing your eyes and you wouldn't be fidgety, you would feel more confident. Clap for this guy. अगला चैंपियन कौन बनना चाहता है? Free will. You want to try? देखो guys, this is a class आई डोंट फोर्स एनीवन, कोई भैया नहीं, कोई दीदी नहीं, ठीक है। अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट घर छोड़ के आना, वो क्लास के बाहर छूट जाती है, ठीक है। नो ईगो, ये सब इस क्लास में नहीं चलेगा। अगर ये आएगी तो स्किल नहीं सीख पाओगे। लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट अ स्किल इज। अ स्किल इज अबाउट प्रोबेबली आपने सबने साइकिल लाइफ में कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं चलाई होगी। जब स्टार्टिंग में साइकिल चलाई तो क्या हुआ था? गिरे थे, स्केर्ड। अब सोचो साइकिल चला रहे हो, अचानक से सामने से कोई आ गया, स्पीड ब्रेकर आ गया, पीछे से डॉगी है एंड आगे पानी का पॉटहोल भी है, गड्ढा भी है। अब उससे भी बचना है, डॉगी से ही बचना है, और साथ में आगे जो गाड़ी है उससे ही बचना है, और हमें इस सिचुएशन से स्मूथली मैन्यूवर करके निकलना है। एग्जैक्टली ये चीज कैसे आएगी? प्रैक्टिस। जितना आप अपने आप को इस सिचुएशन में डालोगे उतना ज्यादा जल्दी सीखोगे, क्योंकि एक पॉइंट में आपका नर्वस सिस्टम रिस्पॉन्ड करना ही बंद कर देगा। क्यों? अब उसको इस प्रेशर की आदत हो गई है। अगर आप ये कर सकते हो, इफ यू हैव दैट विल टू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ for that, the podium is open for you. Otherwise coming to this class will not help you. Makes no sense, क्योंकि this is a skill that is more practical based. जब तक आपकी रूह नहीं कांपेगी, जब तक your nervous system will not be shaken, this skill cannot be achieved, was never achieved and will never be achieved. Over to you guys. Next. जल्दी आ जाओ, जिसको आना है।
He wants to.
I don't want he. Yesterday's participant, guys.
Hello everybody.
अरे हेलो करो भाई को यार, भाई कर रहा है यार।
So
Not meet them.
good morning, good afternoon all again, and some of you new people here I see. So myself Arvi from 9th class. Some of you are older than me and I treat you with respect. Some of you are same age as me in class. So please काम भेज दो यार, काम complete नहीं। So like lot of you, few of you know right now that I play a lot of guitar and I love coding. So I have been trying to mix them for past few weeks and I have been able to get to the breakthrough. So like in a code, I would like to explain it. I am very eager to. So in it, first you input a code and for it would understand what type of instrument it is.
Thank you, Veda. Okay. Yesterday's participants, do you see any improvement in it?
Yes.
Exponential improvement. कैसे? His body language is much more calmer now. He is much more graceful than yesterday. Number 3, your body language is still not in sync with the words you're saying. It goes ahead. क्यों? Second performance है. By the time of 6th performance, by the time you come here for the 6th time, you'll achieve it. Guarantee देता हूँ मैं. अभी तुम ये ट्रिपल एक्स फैक्टर वाला होते हैं गाइस, ठीक है? By the time you come here, वो हो जाएगा. तीसरी चीज, rate of speech perfect, very nice. But the thing is that when you tend to use your body language while you're speaking, it does not get in sync. Why? वो nervousness अभी नहीं गई है. जब वो nervousness चली जाएगी सिस्टम में से, you'll naturally flow. And today this worked out well. Again, you started stammering शुरुआत में good morning, good this way, because initially when you come over here, the pressure that you feel from the crowd, that is very difficult. When you specifically आप खड़े हो गए, आप सीख रहे हो. It is like a wind gush, takes down your confidence. So I need you to अब exercise करवाऊंगा खड़ा होके. Exercise, guys. Look into everybody's eye and also smile. चलो करो इस exercise को. ये जरूरी है करना. Feel this pressure. Feel this pressure. Feel it until it completely shatters you. Then you'll come back again. ठीक है? We'll take a break. पानी पीना. We'll start this again. ठीक है? Look at everyone present in the class. Look at them. You have to. I know this is difficult, but we'll do it together. देखते रहो, देखते रहो, देखते रहो. चलो, guys, begin. आर्यवीर के लिए राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. Thank you. Be very gentle and thankful कि यार ताली ठोक रहे मेरे लिए. Who's next?
Sir.
ले आओ तूफान. First timer.
Hello everyone. My name is Shreyashi and I'm from 11th in Mathematics. Most of you know me and I have a lot of friends here. So I much like talking and talking to people and communicating and letting my feelings out.
Stalking? You said the word stalking.
Talking. I said stop. I'm sorry. Talking. I said talking.
Are you sure you
Then
said
okay,
talking?
I said-
Are you sure you said talking?
Yes.
Yes. This guy says you said talking. Stalking. Both.
Talking. Both. Sorry, my bad. I like talking to people, communicating, and I like expressing my feelings to everyone, and same goes with others. So basically, I'm a very good artist. I love painting. Absolutely my
Thank you
favorite
so
thing.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you. First and foremost, round of applause. Natural, nervous, लेकिन वो nervousness क्या लहजे में झलक रही थी? अबे झलक रही थी.
Yes, sir. So talking was talking.
मुझे तो करनी चाहिए. But the way she came back out of it in front of everyone in the class, that is what makes her presence amazing. So graceful, so natural, very good. काम करने में बहुत मजा आएगा. चलिए आइए बैठिए. Who's next? आ जाओ. Whenever you guys feel comfortable, आप आइए. अगर आपको नहीं मन करता, that is your wish. I'm not forcing.
Hello everyone, so my name is Anshika. I have recently moved from South India over here, so many of you won't know me. And well, I joined this club because when I was in my previous school, I used to deliver lectures for astronomy 2 years ago. And now I am trying to brushing up my skills again. Thank you.
Brilliant. Thank you. Now, how long has it been since you have not faced the crowd?
2 years?
That is the reason. I sense nervousness when you're speaking. This is what happens. Your voice, you're trying to hold a calm and composed and a commanding voice, but it breaks. The intensity breaks. When you're trying to pronounce a specific word, what happens is you're speaking, but again, it loses power due to lack of crowd performance. If you start doing that, you'll be there. Number one. Number two, when you start with your hand gestures, you tend to miss out on a few words. Your mouth opens a bit more than it generally does. If you guys would have noticed, guys, जहाँ जो भी आए, उसे बहुत ध्यान से देखना है आपको. उसके आई मूवमेंट्स, उसके फेशियल मूवमेंट्स क्या है, किस तरफ जा रहे हैं, ये बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है? I feel that you are a natural, and it will be pretty much easier for me to take things forward. Bingo. Boom. Shankar. Okay, who's next? आओ भाई, ओरेटरी क्लब में आए हो, खेलना तो पड़ेगा. सर खड़े होके ज्ञान तो पेल नहीं सकते, है ना? जो कल आए थे, अगर वो आना चाहते तो वो भी आ सकते हैं. This is the kind of fire I need. तो improvement होगा, otherwise नहीं हो सकता. Don't come from tomorrow otherwise. चलो.
So what can I tell about like anything? Maybe even
Anything.
make them laugh.
चल. Yeah, if you want to. Go ahead.
Okay. I have a story to share with you. I was previously in a school named DPS Delhi. You might be knowing that DPS is a very big branch, very big. If you don't know, like there were a lot of people, and that school bullying, there was bullying, like ragging, like between students. Okay, so I met this guy named Naman. He was like the perfect candidate for not getting bullied. Like he was white, he was tall, yeah, he played sports, he was good in studying. So what happens? Sometimes in that school there is a culture where like sometimes you get made jokes about, and then you make the jokes to another person, and then both of you align to a third person. तो बेसिकली क्या हुआ, एक दिन है ना, मैं सोच रहा था इसके ऊपर क्या जोक बनाऊं. फिर आया, वो व्हाइट था तो पिंपल्स आ रहे थे, पिंपल्स थोड़े से येलो होते हैं. फिर मैंने सोचा अरे ये तो बूंदी जैसा लग रहा है, बूंदी रायते के ऊपर फैली हुई. तब से आज तक लोग उनको बूंदी बोलते जा रहे हैं. कूदते टाइम अरे बूंदी उछल रही है. जो शॉर्ट पुट, when he does short put, they said people say अरे बूंदी के हाथ में आया, बूंदी बूंदी.
Okay, stop. बोला thing is when you start talking now and when you get the content between your thinking and your the thing is when you जब आप बोल चुके हो तो फिर आप सोचना शुरू करते हो and उसके बाद क्या होता है कि you tend to fall short of words and then your eye movement starts again. ठीक है, तो इस चीज़ को हम कैसे ठीक करेंगे? मैं ठीक बताता हूँ. Whenever you're narrating a story, for example, if you're getting a storytelling over here, what happens is that the first and foremost thing that you need to do is that you need to formulate the entire story in your mind. Once you have performed the formulation of story in your mind, it is then that you start speaking. And when you start speaking, you should not probably get into gestures which are not synchronized with you. जैसे कि ये हुआ था, नोटिस किया था. ये क्यों कब होता है? मेरे पास कुछ होता नहीं बोलने के लिए, मुझे फटाफट ऑन द फील्ड फटाफट जल्दी सोचना पड़ रहा है. ये तब होता है. मैंने एक प्रिंसिपल लिखवाया था. क्या प्रिंसिपल था?
The rate of speech should be slower than rate of thought.
The rate of speech should be slower than the rate of thought. क्लास में घुसते ही मैंने देखे इतने सारे बच्चे और हाँ ये यहाँ रखी देखी मैंने एक बोतल देखते ही मैंने सोचा इसमें क्या है और तभी मेरी नजर पड़ी इन पे और मैंने पूछा कि क्या आप वही हैं जो कल भी क्लास में थी लेकिन आज बिना चश्मों के हैं. और फिर मैंने देखा क्लास में बैठी है मनस्वी जो कि मुझे कह रही थी सर मैं कैसे करूंगी और उसकी साइड वाली कहती है मैं नहीं आऊंगी. ठीक है, ये सब मैंने सोच लिया था जब मैं यहाँ से चल रहा था और जब भी मुझे बता रहा था इट वॉज ऑलरेडी देयर.
Okay, sir.
गेट द पॉइंट.
Yes, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, यही चाहिए. अगर आपको सब कुछ बना लेना अपने दिमाग में एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट इट शुड बी फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टू द एंड खत्म सो दैट इट शुड बी फ्लॉलेस एकदम स्मूथ. हम इस लेवल को कैसे अचीव करेंगे गाइस? ये कैसे पाएंगे? ये चीज कैसे मिलेगी हमें? ये महारत कैसे मिलेगी? ये ऐसे मिलेगी कि आपको 1 मिनट तक कंटिन्यूअसली बोलना है रैंडमली अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट यू सी इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दैट इज इट. इफ यू टेल मी आई कैन डू इट अगेन राइट नाउ. टेस्ट मेरा ठीक है. क्लास में खड़े खड़े मैंने देखा मेरे भाई को जिसने आज आखिरकार 2 साल बाद या शायद 1 साल बाद वापस दुनिया के सामने आया है परफॉर्म करने के लिए. लेकिन जब वो करता है परफॉर्म तो आगे लचकते हैं और हाथ खुजलाते हैं और ये करते हुए क्लास के बच्चे देखते हैं और मैं सोचता हूँ कि इसे हम कापा में बेहतर कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो एंड दिस गोज ऑन. दिस एक्चुअली गोज ऑन. Who's next? Neha. बहुत बढ़िया. Very happy that you tried. Guys, welcome her. She's also a new student.
Hi everybody, my name is Kriti. I'm in 11th Humanities and I love playing badminton, table tennis and chess. Although I don't play that often because I don't have anyone to play with. And other than that, I love listening to music and watching movies. Thank you.
Most welcome. Keep standing. Look at them. Smile, looking at everybody. अब पहली बार आई होती है कैसे छोड़ दो बताओ, है ना? लियो थोड़ा टाइम. Guys, look at her. Look at her. Don't stare, but look. There's a difference. घूरना नहीं है, सिर्फ देखना है. How do you feel? Nervous, uncomfortable. Because when you say that specifically, the first time you pronounced that, your tonality broke over here. Then when you started speaking, what happened was your body dropped. We don't want that to happen again. So I would want you to keep coming here so that you can face the crowd and we can work together.
Yes.
Who's next? अच्छा ताली बजाएगी, sorry. अभी बच जाती. तो उधर में तेरी पाली भी रखी है उधर रखी है. अच्छा आइए प्लीज आइए. Very good.
Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. I'm from 10th Eta and some of you knows me. Yeah. So actually, do follow me on Instagram. I post videos about sketching. So my page name is art.file.56. So please do follow me.
आर्ट देख सकते हैं इनका ज्ञान YouTube पे इंस्टा चलेगा इस पे.
लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा ना follow you.
No sir, it won't be.
So it can be searched on Google.
From doing the
login to Instagram. किसी का login करना पड़ेगा.
Shambhavi, is it a public account? Yes, it's
can be viewed.
Yeah.
In such a
Yeah,
city,
you can.
but पूरे ट्रीट कर
Sir, the Insta account is
she came over here just after she reached. यहाँ तक आई and boom शंकर, ठीक है? She's like, see the shoe. Hi everyone, everybody. दूसरा, grammatical error when you got nervous. Everybody knows me. ये body language slouching, ठीक है? Third, when you're nervous, you're again trying to थोड़ा सा ना कि जो voice है that loses texture. इस पे काम करना है. Number 3. तो भूल जाता हूँ बोलते बोलते. I need you to face this more often. This is what I need you to do so that ये जो exposure है ये और बढ़े. But इतनी जल्दी आदमी नहीं होगा. Look at everybody. I need you to make eye contact with every person sitting on every desk. How do you feel? Very good. Very good. बहुत अच्छी बात है. जो जनरली यहाँ के नर्वस नहीं होते हैं उनका इट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग साइन दैट दे विल इम्प्रूव वेरी फास्ट, क्योंकि उनको ऑलरेडी द थिंग इज दैट दे हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्टेड देमसेल्व्स. ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. इफ यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड योरसेल्फ कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. अगर यहाँ आओगे अगर खुद में ही अगर कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्सेस है तो आई हैव टू वर्क आउट विद देम एंड देन इट विल गो आउट बाय 6th to 8th क्लास. कौन आएगा तूफान? बताओ ही कौन आएगा? आना चाहते हो? नहीं? ओके. जिसकी मर्जी आओ, नहीं तो मैं ज्ञान देना शुरू कर दूं. चलो एक पॉइंट लिख लो. Your rate of speech should be slower than your thought process. Your rate of speech should be slower than your thought process. ये तो आप लिख चुकी है ना? हाँ प्लीज खाओ. जिसके पास मीठा चॉकलेट वॉकलेट है उसे प्लीज खाओ. किसी के पास है तो दे दो. प्लीज हेल्प आउट, प्लीज हेल्प आउट, प्लीज हेल्प आउट. बिस्किट है. The rate of speech should be slower than the thought process. The rate of speech should be slower than the thought process. The rate of speech should be slower than the thought process.
The rate of
सर लिख लिया था.
अब आपको ही लिखना ना. देखो चैंपियन से ऑलरेडी मीठा खा चुके हैं, वो आगे तूफान लाएंगे ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग
सर एक
एडवाइस.
चीज पूछूं.
चार पूछो.
आपके बोतल में एक और सी चीज क्या है?
रुद्राक्ष जो मुझे ताकत देती है ये करने की.
Is it okay to carry everywhere?
Yeah.
Or we need five?
I'm also wearing a lot of them right now. So yeah. हाँ भाई लिख लिया? ओके. What next guys? What next? अभी तक जो आए नहीं है उनका क्या करूँ मैं ये बताओ.
roll number wise.
नहीं यार मैं अपने आप मैं ऐसे नहीं बुलाता. कोई एक दूसरे से मत पूछो, जिसकी इच्छा है वो खुद आ जाए. डेमो में अगर मेरे डेमो में मजा नहीं आया तो बोल सकते सर आप में दम नहीं. That is okay with me.
सर आप में बहुत ज्यादा दम है.
अच्छा ये भी दिक्कत है. देखो बहुत ज्यादा चलता है, बहुत ज्यादा ठीक है, कम नहीं होना चाहिए, ज्यादा ठीक होता है.
Sir, what inspired you to become a police?
ओहो, what question you ask यार, what question you ask. चलो कहानी सुनाता हूँ. एक बार क्या हुआ कि what happened to me. अच्छा ये तो मोटिवेशनल कहानी सुननी है या सिर्फ सिंपल कहानी सुननी है?
Simple.
या सुनने से कोई नहीं सुनेगा सिंपल.
दोनों सुना दो
सर जो ज़्यादा अच्छी
सर जो रियल हो वो सुनाओ।
अबे रियल तो दोनों ही है यार।
Not sir, बस
सिंपला, ठीक है, सिंपला सुनाता हूँ। What motivated me? Obviously female attention यार। खत्म ले और क्या बचे? What else do you want now? Tell me simple. Nothing more than that. Simple.
self-improvement.
कौन सी क्लास थी सर?
Ah, now we are there. Now we are. Okay. See, I'll tell you something. What happened class 9, class 10th में मेरी maths में supplementary है. Supplementary आने के बाद में I fell down in my own eyes and in the eyes of the society, and so what happened was कि I thought कि प्रति अब वापस से confidence कैसे लाया जाए, क्योंकि उससे पहले मम्मी कई बार स्टेज भेज चुकी थी मुझे, लेकिन मैं जाके लाइन भूल जाया करता था. प्रॉब्लम बस ये होती थी. And the rest is, you know what happens. So, school में just to get out of my inferiority complexes that I had with myself, मैं stage पे चढ़ गया annual show के लिए. Annual show host किया, then I went to college. अब यहाँ से story थोड़ी interesting होती है लाइफ. College में क्या हुआ? I was in Amity University, BL and be honest. Class में there were 120 students at that point of time. In section A. मैं उस दिन क्लास में खड़ा हुआ. There was a director of the law school, and what happened was I wanted to utter something. लेकिन मेरी जो आवाज थी ना, वो यहाँ से निकल नहीं पाई. मेरे घुटने कांप रहे थे. और यहाँ मुझे ऐसा डर लगा कि ये बताओ कैसा डर लगा कि मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाया. और the thing was that I did not come from an influential family. I wasn't good in studies. Nor was I good in any extracurricular activities except hacking. So I said, ठीक है भाई, but that was not a skill considered in the 1990s because that was an issue. So what did I do? I did nothing. I fell in love with a woman. Thank you for the honest reaction. चलो ये कहानी सुनाता हूँ आप लोग. So what happened? So हमारा ऑडिटोरियम हुआ करता था. हमारे ऑडिटोरियम में बाद तो 2 सेक्शंस हो गए थे. So what happened was, this is a nice break that I'm doing with you guys, ठीक है? So उसमें क्या होता था कि 60 students, 5 sections, first year to 5th year. सोच लो अपने हिसाब से कैलकुलेट कर लो कितने बच्चे होंगे. So what you get the gist of it. तो क्या हुआ उसके अंदर में the love of my life was sitting over there. भाई ऑडिटोरियम में बैठी कहाँ है ये? देख तो वो देखिए सही मचकाने के बाद. Of the Transport Minister of India, he was there for a guest lecture on saving the environment. So what had happened was on that day, please ma'am. Ma'am, it is a life story of mine. I hope you enjoy. So, the thing is it okay if I record the session? Yes? Yes. ठीक है.
Sir, can I record it from the back? It's
Sure.
like it will be
I
cool.
don't mind.
Okay.
There was this friend of mine उनका नाम था शिक्षा. So she told me कि प्रतीक एक काम कर अपना हाथ उठाओ सवाल पूछे. ठीक है? एक मिनट. Should not be here. Okay. हाँ. So what I did कि मैंने अपना हाथ रेज कर दिया उस दिन कि मैं कहूँ कि मुझे सवाल पूछना है. And I didn't know कि यार मुझे पूछना क्या है आखिरकार. Reason being कि यार पूछना क्या है ये मुझे पता नहीं. And the irony was, since I liked that woman over there, यार impression भी जमाना है क्या करूँ, ये भी जरूरी है. So what I did, I just raised my hand and शिक्षा टोld me कि प्रतीक यार सवाल पूछ तू कर लेगा यार. मैं चल ठीक है ओके मैं ट्राई करता हूँ देखते हैं क्या होता है. So guys I raised my hand. जितना आपका ये बीच का एरिया नहीं है यहाँ पे जहाँ वो सर बैठते हैं, वहां से माइक आना मेरी तरफ शुरू हुआ. एंड जब तक माइक मेरे पास आ रहा था, I was completely clueless कि मुझे सवाल क्या पूछना है. I had no idea at that point of time. भाई पूछना क्या है? But on the very same day, what had happened was I was coming right from Faridabad having a bike ride and I saw that people were having Chhat Puja in the Yamuna river. And what I did was that I saw that they were also polluting the river at the same time while worshipping their gods. Now, okay, so that thing came into my mind. Now the mic just reached me. Mic हाथ में आ गया. अब क्या करूँ मैं? So it was on the lines कि I started introducing myself like we all do. Hi, my name is Pratik. I am from batch B, section A, and my question to you is that since people celebrate their festival, how do you go ahead and intend in saving the environment? Pin drop silence. Then there was this good question. And उसके बाद में it was like full high alert. But I was like, वो देखेगी. This is what was happening from my side. And then after everything went over, I went down, spoke to her best friend. Very lively guy. And then she said, "जी कोई हम इसे सवाल पूछा." And then things escalated in life. This was part one wherein I wanted कि people should know me. Out of the few motivations that wanted or that helped me become a speaker. Next thing what happened? जब मैं कॉलेज में था, I had friends जो कि कॉलेज के बाद में या तो घूमते थे या तो पीते थे और कुछ करते नहीं थे या फिर वही भाई बहन दोस्त यारों की बुराइयां करना. This is what used to happen. Simple life. At that point of time, what I did was मैंने ये सारी दोस्तियाँ छोड़ी. I didn't have many friends in life, but I had only 2 to 3 से. And उनके साथ मैं आज भी टच में हूँ. So what happened was, I joined almost every club that I could join, and my friends introduced me to the radio station, and I gave myself 3 months कि अगर मैं 3 महीने में नहीं हुआ मैं ये करियर ही छोड़ दूँगा, नहीं करूँगा इसको परसू आगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. और ये कहानी बता चुका हूँ. What happens next? From 11 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. in the evening. This is what I practiced for 3 months, Monday to Friday. Obviously, पीछे गुल्ली मार दिया था मैं कि नहीं होगा. After doing this, I landed with my first internship with Red FM, and then life started from there. Then I never looked back, and then opportunities just started coming from here to there. So yeah, this is my motivation. So this was my part. Coming back to कौन volunteer कर रहा है? आप 2 बार कर चुके हो और आप 1 बार कर चुके हो. मुझे कोई नया खिलाड़ी चाहिए यहाँ पे. Anybody who wants to try? कल के चैंपियंस? No one? Topic is anything that you would want to present. I'm not going to help you with any topic. If there is something that you want to speak, looking at your copy, you can do that as well. Is it right? You try?
Yes, sir.
अरे बहुत जबरदस्त यार.
Thank you, sir.
नहीं मैम.
Enjoy the session, sir.
मैम, I want.
सर नाम भी इसलिए नहीं बोल रही थी, आप पूछो एक चीज.
अच्छा पूछ यार.
सर उस लड़की का क्या हुआ?
Obviously शादी होगी वहाँ की.
Oh my God.
किसी और से हुई.
Oh.
आपकी किससे हुई?
Obviously किसी से तो हुई.
उन्हें पता है आपकी हुई?
सब अरे भाई उसके बाद I made उसके बाद में I made a podcast with all the women that were in my life, and later on that podcast was bought by Airtel. Bought by Airtel. उस podcast की series थी. I was working with Google Alexa. I was looking after क्या कहते हैं entertainment department pan India. So शुरू करते हैं।
The science which measures the degree of
मैं हाय नहीं करता
The science which measures the degree of uncertainty is called probability. There are two
I
types
need you
of
to go
approaches.
50% slow, please. 50% slower. The rate of speech should be halved.
There are two types of approaches to the study of probability. These are experimental or empirical approach and theoretical approach. In the experimental approach to probability, we find the probability of the occurrence of an event by actually performing the experiment.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. इसमें the thing is that you are putting जैसे pressure आता है ना, you start bending. Stop bending. सीधी खड़ी हो. Hold your composure. Keep it really strong. Do not let it shake. You obviously. ठीक है? Rate of speech सामने वाले को देख के मुझे बढ़ाना नहीं है. Be within yourself. ठीक है? Drop this book and start introducing yourself. Now, level बढ़ा रहा हूँ थोड़ा. I'm going to make it difficult for you. Guys, second time here.
So, hello everyone, I am Dikshita, as some of you probably know. This is the second session that I've actually joined. The first one was yesterday. And I had already introduced myself, so I guess I might as well say it again. I am in 9th Alpha, and I really enjoy reading, and sometimes I can write short stories or maybe even a bit longer ones.
Thank you. Thing is that आपकी जो nervousness है वो पता है कब चलती है? जब आप अपना sentence खत्म करती हैं, उसके बाद में और जब आप एक नया sentence शुरू करती हैं, जो gap रहता है ना बीच में, your jaws are like this, left and right. We need to work on that. ठीक है? Make yourself so much accustomed to this कि this stop affecting you. ठीक है? चार पूछो. बैठे रहो. We speak.
So there's a kind of, thing that what if people will talk back and forth about how we speak, how everything we are doing. So that's